Yeah, you see me? They are going to do all the thing. You see me? Have a look. Color one thing where you go steam down and way. You know? So they are going to set up a thing. Water they go boil the soup and peel pumpkin and sit down already. Cut up a little thing them already. And they are going easy. You see me? General them there, they are going easy. I chef up a little thing. See it there? Then them there. Big Chef Steven. You see me? See the big youth there? Big youth, look out. See, lazy, you see, no like do nothing. Look on him. See? You see me?
What you feel going on that topic? Oh, you too. Alright, so does this one you ready?
Yeah.
File it up and put it in.
Yeah. Okra bubble on and thing. You see me? They are going thing. You see me? When I body chef them boy. You see me? Body chef. See next one, yeah? Pushing out like cook, but I body chef boy. You see me? I want to tell you general. No man, you're a general man. You see me?
Big man.
Let's go and line up later and we show you the rest of the full 100, you know? What
You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free.
What? For the football night?
Fill us up with your mercy. Anything but the sorry. Let's praise. While I'm free from my blessings to rise. Belly full but the sorry. Our love empty wanting. Jah, without you we're empty. Fill us up with your mercy. Belly full but the sorry. Jah, without you we're empty. Fill us up with your mercy. Man shall not live forever alone. Let you be praised. While I'm praying for my blessings to rise. Oh, belly full but they're starving. Our love empty wanting. Jah, without you we're empty. Fill us up with your mercy. Belly full but they're starving.